Welcome guys to this video. In this video we'll not be looking at a trading strategy that is indicator based as we were doing the previous videos. Here we'll be looking at a strategy that you have to download and install on your computer and install it on your MetaTrader on your MT4 platform, and it will be able to give you signals after you've installed it there. This is basically a day trading strategy. If you want to capture short amount of pips on a trade, maybe you don't want to hold a trade for a longer period, you're not a swing trader, you want 15 to 30 pips, this is the strategy for you. This is the strategy that I recommend that you use to trade with. It's actually good for day traders, as day traders want to capture a small amount of pips. Maybe you do not prefer to hold positions overnight, so when a trade is triggered, this becomes easy to be able to capture 15 pips, 30 pips on each currency pair that you'll be trading. Okay, so guys, the strategy that we'll be looking at, it is called the secret profit levels. You install it on a MetaTrader and the indicators, stuff like that. Then you take, after you've installed it, you take it and put it on the chart that you want to trade, or the currency pair that you want to trade. So let's look at it like this. Here is an example of the strategy. After you've installed it, this is what it looks like. This is what it will look like on a computer. As you can see here, let me take my marker. This is what I was talking about. When you move your mouse pad here, the first start here, let me change the color. The first start here, this will be your entry. Your entry will be triggered there on that line. And as I was talking about, as you see this here, the first target, this is where it is 15 pips when you exit there. The second target, it is 30 pips when you exit there. Your stop loss is somewhere here. Your stop loss, it is also 15 pips. It is also 15 pips. So in this line here, when you move your mouse pad within this line, you will see that will be your stop loss, and this is how you will trade it. So I recommend, if also you're trading something like this, you also include things like price action, a moving average. What I like is a 200 moving average. Let's say, for example, let me draw maybe a 200 moving average. Is your 200 moving average is like this. Let's say you have a 200, and then you will only take the trade if the signal there is below the 200. Or maybe you can, let's say you add price action as confluence. You take these, let me draw something perfect. I'm not good with drawing per se, but you may get the picture. Let's say you have a trend line there. Now this is your trading channel. You will then take this trade when you can set your sell stop there. Exit there if you want 15 pips. Exit there when you want 30 pips. You see, if you are trading if you're a pricing action trader, your maximum target will be here. So this trading system will work better. Also, if you include price action, within your trading to add as confluence, because we don't use indicators alone, and we don't believe systems can be traded in isolation. But they are good when you have support. Let me look at let's take and look at another example. This is CAT JPY H1. As you can see here guys, Here, this line there, where this triangle thing starts, this is your entry point. The first target means when prices reach there, we have achieved our target of 15 pips. Maybe you can holding for 30 pips. If you are trading 0.01, you have made $3 if you hold this trade for maximum 30 pips. Maybe if you are trading, if you exited it here if you exited the trade here at 15 pips, you have made, if you're trading 0.01, you have made 1.5 USD. It is simple because you just place your stop loss. If you move your mouse pad, your stop loss is here on this line. Your stop loss, it is in this area. First target 15, second target 30 pips. Meaning, if it triggered there, as you can see, there's a trend line channel. This is basically going up. This turns into a breakout. Breaks out powerfully, it triggers there, and it triggers 15 pips. Then we exit the trade at 15 pips without holding for maximum 15 pips are triggered. You can hold it longer. Maybe you have a moving average that supports that the trend is bullish, you can hold it for a longer period. Let's look at another example. Here you can see clearly what the chart is this, but you can see there in this trade, entry point, it is here, triggered, we sell. First target 15 pips achieved, second target 30 pips achieved. It's a full win trade here. It's a winning signal. You've just generated your signal, you just placed your orders and hope that maybe you place your stop loss 15 pips away. 15 to 15 pips is 1:1. You have reached 15 and you're holding for 30 pips, it is 1:2. Simple like that. To apply risk management, and you will go far in trading. You don't need to panic. Some trades you will win, some trades you will lose. Let's look at the last example there. As you can see, you are most likely to hit, 15 pips as it is classified as the conservative exit, aggressive exit 30 pips. Entry point there, stop loss here, you risk 15, you enter here, you make 15, you hold it for maximum, you make 30 pips. 30 pips achieved, easy as that. Bullish trade, a winning signal. You will find the download link of this trading strategy on the description below. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be posting more of these. I will be testing more of these videos like these are coming of powerful trading systems. Thank you.